Good morning, mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2019. Happy Tuesday. Please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating a birthday today is Marcellus Jones in 3rd grade. Have a happy birthday. Now remember, today we're focused on being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And idea 24 is keep yourself and the bathroom clean and germ-free. Especially right now, you guys, germs are crazy. They're getting people sick. It's flu season. So make sure that you are always washing your hands. Every single time you go to the bathroom, make sure you're singing happy birthday or twinkle twinkle little star as you wash your hands and really scrubbing the germs, or using hand sanitizer. Sometimes I'll wash my hands, but then I'll use hand sanitizer just to make sure I've killed all the germs. Today, our word of the day is dialogue. Before you even look at the definition, I bet you know what dialogue means. It is a conversation between two or more characters, or just people talking to each other. Some announcements. You should have an ID, okay? You should always have your ID out. If you lose it for some reason, you have to hurry up and bring that money in so that we can replace it as soon as possible. Also, today's Tuesday, so that means you go to your second block for academic block. Now take time to look at your uniform. You should be in your regular uniform, but today you may be wearing a hat because it is hats off to being drug-free. All right, tomorrow, as a reminder, you have to wear uniform pants and regular uniform black shoes, but you can wear a sports jersey or a sports shirt. Remember, on Thursday, we are not dressing up in any sort of costumes. It is no masks, no weapons, no any sort of Halloween costume. And so make sure that you're just dressing up, if you do, as a storybook character. I think your teachers and lead team will also join in. All right, so today is Tuesday. Good luck, 4th grade reading. You guys are going to do so well on your test. I know you've prepared with Miss Rash and Mr. Sadhu on all your reading and writing skills, but today you get to show off your reading skills. Good luck. And then Thursday we have 5th grade science and Friday 2nd grade math. Unfortunately, we had a ton of you out on Monday, which means we only had a 95.7% attendance. That is really not good. So, look at the weather right now. Today is going to be rainy and a little chilly. It probably is going to look similar on Wednesday and Thursday, but really good job coming to school, making sure your parents bring you here on time. And Friday, it will still be a little chilly, but it will be nice out. So it's okay to bring your jackets to school. Just make sure you're tucking them away and putting on your idea jackets. And if you're here every single day, like you should be, you will be entered in our raffle. So make sure that you're here. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready, go. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember that choice is yours. And Rattlers, If no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students are out. If you did not already read Ms. Perez's email about ADA and OATP, please take a minute and read that email as soon as possible. And text the ADA group chat if you have any questions. Thank you all. Have a great Tuesday.